Exploring new places and encountering different cultures fuel my travels. As a photographer, my trips are often inspired by the goal of capturing that one perfect photograph. But travel photography can also be an adventure itself.
Today it feels like we're on a real mission to find the place where we can find people who are drying fish, where we can take our photos. And it looks like we might found just the place, so let's go and check it. Did we find the right place? So we've checked a few places. So far they're not the places we needed. Yes, but looks like we
Found another
the
place.
we needed as well. What I love the most about traveling is connecting with local people, learning about their lives, their traditions, their culture, getting a chance to talk to them, asking a few questions, listening to their stories. That's what traveling is really about.
What's happening here?
Nothing, we're just waiting for a sandwich. I think it's not gone.
So far we're probably waiting for nothing. But it's pretty cool to be in such a unique place like this one here.
The priority is always living the experience, with photos playing a secondary but equally important role. Ending a trip with a picture that narrates the story of our adventure is the most satisfying feeling we can have.